belly. Hello. Hello. Rub my belly.
Didn't even come out.
Nothing came out.
On Wither Road, where our uncertain eldest sons were.
You're gonna get.
Hi, little bitch. Hello, kitty cat. I'm an officer cat, and I fight crime. Meow.
Shit.
I knocked a cigarette out of my mouth and then I...
Be ready, because the last... Fuck.
Action.
You know, this police stuff, it's either all excitement or there's nothing. That's just how it goes. He left. He's already done.
What can I do for you today, sir?
Again?
I'm
HIV positive. I'm Officer Lombardi, and this is the owner of the real Pleasant Valley Hardware. He's a good guy. I almost got banned. Sponsored. But he's a good guy. And watch me kiss him.
Blooper. Pleasant Valley Harbor.
Harry, it's you. You're the killer. Small town. You really think you caught him? Yeah. Doesn't look so confident to me. I was over at Falcone's earlier this morning. Her fucking throat was slit in her backyard.
I'm sorry, dude.
Small town. That's your fucking excuse? Well, I'll have you know that I went over to...
Hello. Fuck. There you go. One.
Hey, stupid! Ah!
What's going on, guys? I'm just gonna use my little screwdriver here and stick it in your ball sack. Yeah.
Yes, gentlemen.
Stand there. I'm gonna show it.
Go for it.
Are you proud now, Dad? Stupid motherfucker. You inbred fucking retard. Go again. Lupa. It just feels mother. Forgot to hold the knife again. All right.
But investigators say
Safe, okay. You got one?
Nah.
Oh. Yeah. Come on, kid.
Right there, man. No, don't.
Can we really start? I'm just not ready.
Commit a wellness check.
Kevin. Looks like... Oh my god, guys, he looks like bloody murder. Oh my god.
Bloody Mary.
If you guys haven't tuned in to Screwdriver, you better go tune in. It's good.
It's a good fucking
Promise.
movie, I'm telling you right now.
I don't look like this, but I'm in it.
I never
Check it
thought
out.
I'd be a
And he
cop.
looks great in this uniform. You see this? Come on.
Stop.
And the famous director right here. Oh, and the guy that lets us use for recording. And this special guest star. So, what are you waiting for? Go check in the fucking Screwdriver. Right, bro? Tell him what's up. Yeah. See, he knows what's up. He hasn't watched it either. But it's okay, because he's going to watch it. So you better go watch it.
No excuse is going to bring those 5 people back.
it's been 2 weeks since the discovery of a 6th victim.
Fucking killed her.
Sheriff, he's got to be the guy.
What do you think you're doing? You're not doing anything.
What have you done, huh?
The real Screwdriver killer is still out there.
Who else do you got?
Who the fuck else do you have? Huh?
What can I do for you today, sir?
Sometimes things aren't always as they seem.